Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, you'll want to obviously open up your settings. From there, scroll down to System, select Reset Options, and in here you'll find Erase All Data Factory Reset. Click on it and this will bring up a little message letting you know what it removes. Now the most important things that it removes are things like music, photos, and user data. So if there is anything of that kind that you'd like to keep, do make a copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, obviously it will be lost permanently. Now, assuming you have already made that backup or you simply don't want to, select Erase All Data. If you have some kind of protection on your phone like PIN, pattern, or password, you will need to confirm it right here. So I'm going to do that right now. And from there we can select again Erase All Data, which will begin the process. Now this will probably take about like 2 to 3 minutes to finish up, and once it has, we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.